Do you want to pause Instagram Reels on your iPhone? In this short tutorial, I will show you the simple steps needed to quickly and easily pause a reel while viewing it on your iPhone. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Instagram application and then tap on the Reels button at the bottom right to go over to the Reels tab. So now you'll be able to watch Reels on Instagram. If you want to pause the reel that you are currently watching right now, simply tap and hold your finger on the screen, and the reel will be paused. You can now take a closer look at the details on the reel, read any text on the video, and do whatever you want. If you want to start watching the reel again, just take your finger off the screen. So this is exactly how you pause videos on Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.